Car Story research indicates this vehicle as competitive listing price. Features also include keyless ignition, leather seats, pedestrian alert system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, ultra-low emissions vehicle. With these ratings, come test drive the 2022 Eclipse Cross. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, MP3 player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.